So we're at the clay shop.
This is it, straight out of the earth.
So what is this? So this is the
Straight from the earth.
But isn't this the stuff that the mulch they use for the ground, the mulch? Like what? Like if you're doing like something like to do concrete. It's not mulch from the road.
This is clay. This is the
Clay from the ground.
Straight out of it.
Nice.
Straight out of the earth. This is what it looks like.
Nice.
And then actually, let me show you what downstairs.
So now out here you just let them dry.
I'm gonna take you back to that.
Cool.
I'm not sure. See, that's the water hole. Run down. Oh, you get this in the big bags.
Okay, big bags of this.
Yeah, like,
Okay.
Yes, not coming from the big bags. No problem. So we have to soak it in water.
Yeah.
Like overnight for 24 hours.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Can you see that?
Okay. So okay.
Yeah.
Oh, to the material.
Right, because it get purged like really liquidized.
Okay.
Then actually, the pass it through a very fine sieve like this material.
Okay.
Then pass it through a fine sieve like this,
Okay.
getting rid of all the.
Oh, the everything else to get it.
impurity.
I understand.
The
I understand.
So you throw the impurity over there.
Okay.
Then the water will actually come to the top.
Okay.
The clear stay to the bottom, then pour it out.
And then you remove it so let the blood drain out.
Put
Okay.
it in this for it to some of it to drip out.
Okay. Okay, that's clay. Yeah.
Then actually put it on these.
Oh.
That will actually suck the water.
So this
This
is
is actually it's made from plaster Paris.
okay.
It actually sucks the water.
Oh, to drain the rest of it. Okay.
Leave it in this.
Okay, now I see. Now you have clay. Now you have the fun stuff that kids love. Okay. Interesting stuff, man. Can I have this?
Yeah, man,
Yeah, I can have this. Cool. Man, you guys have a lot going on back here, man. It's cool, man. All right. Clay shop.